Like the rest of the Audi lineup, the 2022 Q7 SUV combines a handsome design, a technology-rich cabin, and a fun-loving chassis. It just does so with room for the whole family thanks to its standard 3 rows of seats. The entry-level engine is a 248 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, but those seeking more towing capacity or increased performance should opt for the 335 horsepower turbocharged V6. All-wheel drive is standard with both engines. The Q7 can be outfitted with an adjustable air suspension and 4-wheel steering for even greater comfort and agility. Despite all those features, the Q7 isn't quite as sporty as rivals such as the Porsche Cayenne, but it holds its own against the BMW X5, the Mercedes-Benz GLE, and the Volvo XC90. The Q7 receives a few extra standard features for 2022, including rear side airbags, heated exterior mirrors, ambient interior lighting, and an upgraded tire pressure monitoring system. Premium Plus trims now come with lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control with a traffic jam assist system as standard. The black optic appearance package is now available on models with the base turbocharged 4-cylinder. Moving up from the base Premium to the Premium Plus adds plenty of niceties, including a surround sound stereo system, a wireless smartphone charging pad, power folding exterior mirrors with memory settings, 20-inch wheels, ambient interior lighting, and illuminated doors inlays. We'd also spring for the new executive package, which adds, among other things, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 4-zone automatic climate control, heated and ventilated 12-way power adjustable front seats, heated rear seats, and all-weather floor mats. For 2020, Audi kept the old 248 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, but added a new turbocharged 3-liter V6 that uses a 48-volt hybrid system to make 335 horsepower, and these powertrains carry over unchanged into 2022. When we tested a 2020 Q7 with the new turbo V6, we recorded a brisk 5-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time, which was slightly quicker than the mechanically similar 2-row Q8 SUV. Despite its bulk, when the Q7 is fitted with the optional performance tires on 21-inch wheels, it feels low and live, like a pumped-up sport wagon. The adjustability of the optional air suspension, paired with the added agility of 4-wheel steering, makes the Q7 surprisingly fun to flog down a twisty back road. It also rides quite smoothly. With its minimalist, contemporary design matched with loads of technology and excellent comfort and build quality, the Q7's cabin is a special place. Beautiful materials and design highlight the Q7's interior, as do the intelligent layout of its controls and the comfortable seats that feature both ample support and adjustability. Entry-level premium versions come nicely outfitted, and the amount of upscale features can get supremely luxurious in the higher trim levels. As with most 3-row SUVs, there isn't a ton of cargo space in the Audi's cargo area when all of its seats are in use. But it has available space comparable with its key rivals, and the rearmost row can be quickly raised or lowered via power controls, which makes up for the somewhat clumsy operation of the middle row. With all seats stowed, the 2019 Q7 had room for 25 of our carry-on suitcases, a result we expect the 2021 model to match. The Q7 comes standard with a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen and a smaller 8.6-incher located below that to adjust the climate control and vehicle settings. Depending on whether or not you enjoy using touchscreens while driving, you may find the new system delightful or devilish. Our staff is split, but Audi's been busy adding this new infotainment system to its lineup. It can be found in the A6, A7, and A8 sedans, as well as the Q8 SUV. All 2021 Q7 models also come with the virtual cockpit digital gauge display, 4G LTE Wi-Fi, and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration. Audiophiles can revel in several audio options, topped by a Bang & Olufsen system with 23 speakers and 1920 watts of juice.